Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back in our kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Actually not beautiful. Because don't look over there. Just don't. But, okay, so today we are probably going to eat this Thrive stuff.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Are you making a mess?
No. So we already got the water doing its stuff. So how long are we supposed to leave it?
We're supposed to wait till the water gets hot.
What, till it get hot? How are we?
Here, let's go try something else while we're waiting.
Okay, let's go. So here is Slay. We already did a video. Here's Hachi, the new dog. Which is not really.
What do we got left?
Got onions.
No, you already tried onions. How about celery?
We already did.
No, we didn't tape record you said kind celery.
Oh, okay. Okay, now we have celery.
Don't take a little piece. Take a normal piece.
I already did.
Take a normal piece.
Okay, today we are going to try this. And, of course, the healthy vegetable. Is this a vegetable? Smells good. But does it taste good? Whoa! I bet I'm not going to like this. Okay. Let's do this. I don't want to do it.
Do it.
Should I take off the skin?
No, just eat it.
Wow. Nope, I do not like it. I'm done. I'm done with this. Be right back.
All right. Hi, Hachi.